A very good evening and Jai Hind to all my dear students. I hope you all are well. So children, this is Chandni Soni, your English teacher. And in this video, we are going to understand an interesting story named I Want to Stay Awake, Class 4th English NBCB. So children, this story is about the accidental invention of tea leaves. As we all know that a cup of tea helps us to stay awake and gives us energy to do work. So in this story, we will read how the Emperor of China, who was feeling sleepy and tired, felt so much youthful and strong again. Okay, so let's begin this story. So children, we will start the chapter by the starter. So let's understand. So, do you know that some of the products that we use every day were invented accidentally? Some of these are mentioned below. Look at the pictures and read the clues to identify these accidental invention. Okay? So first one, an office stationery item used to make notes and stick on surfaces. So that is sticky notes. Now next, a favorite among children to make different objects. Children, this is clay. And next, an edible item in which one can eat ice cream, that is ice cream cone. And the last one, a toy for children which doesn't change its shape, that is spring shape. Okay, so this is all about starter. Now let's focus on the story. One morning, the Emperor of China was feeling tired and sleepy. He had a lot of work to do, but he couldn't keep his eyes open. So children, one morning, what happened? The Emperor of China was feeling so much tired and sleepy, and he was having lots of work to do. So, but he could not keep his eyes open. So he was telling, perhaps I am sick. He said to his servant, get my doctor. So when the doctor arrived, the emperor said, I have many things to do today, but I can't keep my eyes open. Can you help me, doctor? The doctor opened his bag and took out a small box. Okay, and there were some dry, dark leaves inside the box. Great Emperor, would you like to chew some of these leaves? They will definitely help you. The doctor said to the Emperor, Great Emperor, please chew some of these leaves. It will help you to stay awake. They are called tea leaves, said the doctor. He offered the Emperor a few leaves. Okay? The Emperor looked at the tea leaves. Then he put them in his mouth and began to chew them. Means the emperor started chewing the tea leaves. They don't taste nice at all. I can't eat them, said the emperor. Emperor said them, the taste of these tea leaves are not nice, so I don't want to eat them again. But they will help you to stay awake, great emperor, said the doctor. Doctor said to the emperor, but these tea leaves will help you to stay awake, to feel good. The emperor was angry. I am emperor. If something doesn't taste nice, I don't chew it. Okay? Shouted the emperor. If you don't take your leaves away, I'll cut your head off. Now the emperor of China scolded the doctor angrily and he said, if you don't take your leaves away, I'll cut your head. Just as doctor was leaving from there, two servants came into the room and they were carrying the emperor's bath. As you can see the picture, two servants are carrying emperor's bathtub and that was full of hot water. Some of tea leaves that the doctor was carrying fell into the hot water. That smells wonderful, Perhaps I can drink the tea leaves, the emperor said to the doctor. Now, when the tea leaves fell in the hot water, they smells very wonderful. That they smells nice. Okay, so that smells nice, and the emperor said to the doctor, perhaps I can drink the tea leaves. The emperor said to the doctor, bring me a cup of hot water, he said to his servant. When the servant brought a cup of hot water, the emperor put a few tea leaves in the water, in the cup of hot water, children. It became a beautiful golden color and smelled very nice. The emperor tasted the water. There was a big smile on his face. Wow, this tastes wonderful, he shouted in excitement. After tasting that hot water with tea leaves, he became excited and he shouted with the excitement. Who, children? The emperor. Then he drank up all the water. Okay, all the water that was there in the cup. A few minutes later on, what happened? He stopped feeling sleepy. The emperor stopped feeling sleepy. He was fully awake and he felt youthful and strong once again. The emperor smiled at the doctor and said, you are very clever, doctor, and I won't cut off your head now. Then the emperor turned to his servant and said, Then the emperor said to his servants, bring me a cup of this wonderful drink every morning. Okay, emperor said to the doctor that I want this cup of wonderful drink every morning. So children, since that day the people have grown tea in China and India and in other parts of the world. So now you are familiar with the tea and tea leaves. Okay, children? So children, this is all about this very wonderful chapter. I want to stay awake. And the country of origin of tea leaves is China. Okay? And as you can see, some exercises are given here at the last of the pages that we will discuss later on. You can see here some questions. You can see on this page also some dialogue, some filling the blanks, correct spellings, and some exercises here also. So we'll discuss later on. That's all about the day. Thank you and Jai Hind, children. God bless.